First, remove this small cover. Hold the mirror and bracket and turn it left. Then unplug the plug. Break the front of the shell and break the edge of the ceiling. Remove the shell. Assemble the new bracket and streaming media. Remove the yellow piece from the original bracket and install it on our bracket. Pass the harness on the back of the mirror through this shell and then store it in the gap of the ceiling. Then pull the edge of the ceiling and install the shell. Align the buckle, fasten the front end, then align the base and turn it to the right. Install the streaming media. You can use a zip tie to bundle the wires. Then put the small cover back on. Open the cover of the A-pillar and remove the threshold leather. First, remove the side cover plate. Then remove the velour threshold. There is a buckle here. Before connecting the plug, lower the vehicle. Insert the large plug into this socket. The small plug is connected to the original car plug. The other end of the wire passes through, between the airbag and the A-pillar, and connect the plug. Set the extension cord in the same way. Then store it on the top layer. Use a tie to bundle the wire on the original circuit. Store the large socket reserved here. Restore the removed cover. Pull down the rubber strip of the rear door frame. Remove the cover of the other end of the extension cord. Tie the threading device. Then pass it through the B pillar from the gap. Pull out the soft rubber tube here at the tailgate and then pass the wire through this hole. Pull out the other end of the rubber tube. Pass the wire up through the lower opening. Put it back on the lower pipe. First, remove the running cover. Pry off the clips on both sides. Then you can remove the large cover plate. The extension cord continues threading from here. Disassemble the original camera assembly. After power off, unplug this plug. Unscrew 2 screws. Move the lens to the new assembly. Then tighten the screws. Pull off the rubber ring here. Pass the threading device through here. Remove the plug cover of the lens cable. Tie the threading device, then pass it through this hole to the inside. Connect the plug of the original lens. Then align the buckle and install the new component. Spray some lubricant on the rubber ring. Pass the rear ray through the rubber ring. Put the rubber ring back. Put back the plug cover. Connect the plug. Tie the wire with a zip tie along the original route. The redundant wires are stored here. Then install the cover plate back in turn.